Right, that's, how's it going? Right, winding the line on. Look at that, look. What's all that, boys? That's twists. The line's twisted. Right. It doesn't matter if it's on one of these or a pin. Right, now see that naturally wants to untwist us?
Yep.
You see that, can't you? It's
Yep.
spinning. With a heavier metal pin, it'll do it better. Now we used to dangle that over the sides of the scaffold. Let the line right down. Just don't touch the bottom, and it's spinning. It de-twist the line. Okay, that makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So that's what I did for a few years until my mate Studdy, the guy that taught me everything that I know, or anything that's worth talking about, taught me this, the figure of 8. Now I have told you boys about this last summer, but no one really took heed. Now I find it a little bit awkward on this spool rather than a pin. It's much easier. But what you have to do is a figure of 8. So look, loop, that's what we call a figure of 8, isn't it, nurse?
Yeah.
Right, so as I'm loading the line with my left hand, because I'm left-handed, you guys are right-handed, most of you, I'm turning the pin. Oh. Fuck it, leave it in.
You want to start again?
No, I don't. Right, so look guys, I'm turning the pin. Trust me, it's fucking easier with a line pin. I did this the other day around it and I was fucking struggling. But I'm telling you now, the tip's worth it. Just bear with me. Right, so the figure of 8. So you put the 8 on, right? Also, turn the pin, the stick, I've even put line on stick, the reel, the spool, whatever you got. Okay, so that's what you're doing. You're doing figure of 8s. Now what does that do? I'll tell you what it does, lads. When you unravel it, it avoids that. All them twisted, that's all twisted, that line. Because this is a spool, and I'm guilty, as well as Nuss, but much as me as it is Nuss, and it's awkward with the figure of 8, this is what we do. Don't we, Nuss?
Yeah.
Be honest.
Yeah.
Do you do it?
Yeah,
you
yeah,
do,
yeah.
so do
With
I.
that especially.
Yeah. But with the other things, I always do figure of 8, don't I?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, with the pins I'll do a figure of 8, yeah. But with that I don't.
Now, I'm about to call bullshit, mate.
No, you called me out on it, I don't know when it was, start of winter,
Look at
and ever since I've started doing it.
Look at that, lads. Twisted line, right? So if you want to not have twisted line, don't use these silly spools. Figure of 8 on your pins. And as you're doing the figure 8, pull it tight. Put the odd half hitch on there or whatever, in case you drop it. The reason that I've thought about doing this, lads, because look, I just went to get the line, it came out the little clip, went all the way down. Any good then? So, don't wrap it like this, figure of 8, alright boys? Hug up.